John Deaton is of the opinion that the price of XRP will significantly increase in the near future. It is important that you read this if you have any XRP tokens or if you are interested in XRP. Could you please tell me about the latest XRP news and how it will impact the price of XRP? I am going to provide you with answers to these questions as well as information regarding the recent information that has been released regarding XRP, which will cause its price to increase. Through the use of XRP, there is still a significant possibility that you may become a millionaire. As a result of the extensive research that I conducted for this video, you should make sure that you view it in its entirety so that you do not overlook any information that might assist you in increasing the price. Let me introduce myself. I am the Crypto Next Gen Hub, your daily dose of the most significant news regarding cryptocurrency. By clicking the subscribe button, you will be able to keep ahead of the competition in the cryptocurrency market and receive all of the most recent XRP news and projections. It would be helpful if you could hit the like button and enable post alerts so that we can deliver you other cryptocurrency news. First things first, before we go into the first thing, let's have a look at the picture and see what the price of XRP is doing on November 3rd. Immediately, if you are interested in participating in our daily giveaway of 50 XRP, all you need to do is subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment that #XRP is king. Hopefully you will be successful. At the moment, the price of XRP is $0.61. In the past 24 hours, it has been exchanged for a total of $1.4 billion. XRP's price has increased by 11.4% over the past week, and it has increased by 0.7% over the past 24 hours. While there are currently 48 billion XRP coins in circulation, there are a total of 100 billion XRP coins in circulation. By the time you watch this movie, it is feasible that these costs will have transformed into something else. The following is not financial advice, and investing money in the cryptocurrency market is a risky endeavor. Therefore, before investing money in the market, you should conduct your own research. Do you wish to purchase or sell something? XRP, CoinEtoro, and GateHub are all among the most active trading platforms currently available. Let us not squander any more time at this point. Okay, let's go see the movie. An initial public offering IPO is planned to be held by Ripple. This can be inferred from 3 different hints. It would appear that Ripple, a massive Bitcoin corporation, is dangling the possibility of an initial public offering, often known as an IPO. One of the most prominent figures in the XRP community, Louis Jackson, has been conducting a thorough investigation into these hints, and there are numerous indications that Ripple is considering going public with its shares. Louis Jackson, a well-known member of the XRP community, recently stated that it is possible that Ripple has quietly published its plans for an initial public offering IPO on its corporate website. The fact that so few people have taken notice of these indicators is certainly peculiar. Is there going to be an initial public offering? It has been said by Louis Jackson that organizations often go through a series of processes which may involve mergers and acquisitions MA and going public with an initial public offering IPO. His discussion focused on the recent mergers and acquisitions MA that Ripple has been involved in, particularly the acquisition of Medico approximately 5 months ago. In addition, he discussed a strategy that was ineffective in acquiring Fortress Trust. It is not always the case, but these things frequently result in an initial public offering IPO. The use of hiring patterns, as evidence, Jackson investigated how Ripple procures individuals to provide support for his argument. Some of the employment that he saw were related to the expansion of businesses, engineering, and in terms of money and engaging with shareholders. At the present, the careers page of Ripple is advertising positions such as Manager of Corporate Development and Director of Corporate Development. Jackson asserts that this demonstrates Ripple's commitment to long-term growth, which involves the utilization of mergers and acquisitions as well as collaborative efforts. Moreover, the fact that the corporation is looking to strengthen its computer infrastructure is demonstrated by the fact that it is considering employing engineers, despite the fact that this might not always indicate an initial public offering, and the fact that Ripple is constantly seeking to expand and strengthen its business is demonstrated by this, jobs in finance, and the kinds of places you'd like to reside. Among the various finance positions that Ripple was looking to fill, Jackson glanced at the company's job advertisements for a Director of Foreign Tax and a Director of Financial Risk. Checking financial information and preparing ready for public release, which is a significant element of the initial public offering IPO procedure, are both essential tasks that require these finance positions. It is fascinating to see that Ripple appears to favor hiring directors and managers in particular locations, primarily at its headquarters in San Francisco and in major cities such as London and New York City. Although Jackson did not mention that these job ads had anything to do with the potential location of Ripple's initial public offering IPO, he did mention that more than 10% of these positions are located in the United States. Due to this, many individuals have the misconception that the New York Stock Exchange NYSE In the event that Ripple does not select New York for its initial public offering, possible backup possibilities include London and Dubai. Legal battles are still being fought at this late hour. When considering whether or not Ripple is prepared for an initial public offering IPO, it is essential to keep in mind that the company is still in litigation with a United States authority. Recent victories in the courtroom, such as the dismissal of charges against executives of Ripple, give the impression that this legal issue may be nearing its definitive conclusion. The modifications in the law that were described above reduce the obstacles that could prevent Ripple from conducting an initial public offering IPO, making it a more likely event that will take place in the near future. If you give this video a like and subscribe to the station, you will be able to assist the station. Always make sure that you are tuned in so that you do not miss anything in the future. We shouldn't keep waiting any longer. Watch the remaining portion of the episode now. A favourable impression of Ripple is presented by Deaton. Although there are growing concerns regarding Ripple's intentions to move away from XRP, Deaton, a lawyer who supports XRP, has nothing but positive things to say about the firm. In spite of the fact that Ripple's liquidity hub does not include XRP as a digital asset option, the attorney tweeted that the company has a responsibility to continue exploring the possibility of XRP. Following the completion of its A, B and C investment rounds, Deaton stated that the firm had a significant value. The prospect of an initial public offering IPO is one of the reasons why Ripple is not switching to a new cryptocurrency. On account of the fact that the token is not included in Ripple's liquidity hub platform, members of the XRP community were concerned that the company might abandon the token. Concerns regarding the status of the XRP coin increased as the legal clarity surrounding it increased. Ripple, on the other hand, posted on its blog that it will continue to support XRP and that it will add it to the hub as soon as it has more clarification regarding the regulatory environment in the United States. XRP's worth of $15 billion in 2022 is sufficient for the corporation to support it. According to the statement, it began at $10 billion in the year 2020 and reached $15 billion in the year 2022. There has been a consistent increase in its worth. According to Deaton, the company has between $48 billion and $50 billion worth of XRP, which means that it has the potential to make a lot of money through an initial public offering IPO. In addition to this, he stated that the fact that the business repurchased its own shares in 2022 at a price that was 50% higher was more evidence of its commitment to XRP. The help that Deaton is providing for Ripple and its CEO Brad Garlinghouse comes at a time when it is becoming less difficult to regulate XRP in different international jurisdictions. It is the most current government entity to acknowledge it as a digital asset, and that recognition came from the Dubai Financial Services Authority DFSA. As a result of the approval from the DFS, Ripple is currently awaiting the judge's decision about its case. Regarding the safety of XRP in a legal proceeding against the SEC, another piece of news from today is that Whale has dumped XRP worth $31 million on various platforms. The market charts that were made public by Whale Alert reveal that a wallet that is unknown to the general public has lately transferred millions of XRP tokens to controlled exchanges. Recent market data presented by Whale Alert, which is widely regarded as one of the most reliable blockchain watchers in the world. A wallet that has not been identified has lately transferred enormous quantities of XRP tokens to centralized platforms such as CEX, Bitstamp, and Bitso and has not been identified.